Meet the Litewing, the lightest, freestanding, 270-degree awning on the market. We designed the Litewing for speed and efficiency, so setting up camp is easy and hassle-free. Engineered with carbon fiber radius arms and superior mechanics, the Litewing sets up and packs away in under 90 seconds. At such a lightweight, this awning can attach to a variety of racks, platforms, and tents, providing you a host of options for setting up your rig however you like. The Litewing comes in two sizes. The regular weighs 28 pounds and the XL weighs 38 pounds. Both are available in driver's or passenger side options. Today, I'll be walking you through this driver side XL. The Litewing is housed in an aluminum hard case to minimize highway noise and to provide superior protection and aerodynamics. Not to mention the cleaner, sleeker look of a hard case versus your typical soft case. The awning attaches to your vehicle with these brackets, which attach directly to a platform rack or crossbars with T-slots. The awning can also be attached with the included mounting plates, which clamp to platform racks or crossbars. The Litewing is compatible to be mounted directly on the Falcon 2 or the Falcon Pro with the Falcon 2 Pro awning brackets, which are sold separately. Once you have the Litewing awning attached, it's exceptionally easy to deploy. Just pop the latches on both ends by first squeezing the button on the latch. Lift up the lid, then open the pivot door. Grab the smallest radius arm and walk the Litewing open. Then attach the tension strap to your bars or another sturdy anchor, and that's it. The Litewing is a serious upgrade to your camping experience. Nothing completes a campsite quite like an awning. Not only do you get protection from the elements, you also get a designated space to gather. Especially at night under the built-in LED lights, you create an atmosphere for sharing the good times. If the weather turns extra nasty, no worries, as you can use the included aluminum poles housed in the hard case for additional support. Stakes, guy line, and hammer are all included. When you're ready to pack up your Litewing, simply remove the support poles and store them in the hard case. Detach your tension strap and walk the awning back to the hard case. Then unhook the lid strap and fold the awning inside. Lastly, close the hard case, latch it, and you're off. An awning this easy instantly elevates your camping experience. You're adding a ton of comfort, plus protection from whatever Mother Nature throws your way, all while extending your camping season. And that's our brand new Litewing awning. I know you're gonna love it. To learn more, visit roofnest.com. Happy camping!